Hey, minasan konnichiwa, samurai engineer desu. So they are moving in to my hands. So that is one another tip to put their food into your hands. So let them uh, touch your hands so that they get used to it better. So Pipa is actually sitting on my hands already. And George showing comfort in my presence already. So by the way, it's very hard for two or more birds to be tamed or in the taming process at the same time. They have to be separated, separate cage. You have to tame them separate cage so that the taming process would be short. Look, look at the legs. Oh, that is the setup. That is the setup. Okay, both of their legs are in my hands now. See? Pipa's legs and George's legs. Okay, see you again tomorrow for another installment of taming process and some tips.